How to fix Roblox website error 1016, also known as Origin DNS Error, when launching Roblox from your browser. First, click the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now type IP protocol configuration /flushdns. Press Enter and wait for the confirmation message. Then close Command Prompt. Next, open your web browser and go to web.roblox.com. If you see error 1016 Origin DNS error, simply remove web from the address and open roblox.com. The Roblox website should now load normally, and you can launch your game from there. That's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more fixes. Thank you for watching.
I want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got